Tortoise. Tortoise in the rain. Ooh, really rainy it is, too. Like, super rainy. Look at how windy it is out here. Looks like he's going to his moat. Yep, he's going to the moat. What, Mango, you want to go out too? Yeah, that's what I thought. Yep, he's going in the moat. And as you can see, he likes his moats. He's got to make himself nice and comfy. Yeah, he looks like he's trying to get comfy, anyway. As you can see, it's filled up with water. Looks like he's going to stay in that position for a while. Einie, you having fun? You don't like the rain either, huh? Well, maybe the rain doesn't like you. Okay, it's pouring outside. I'm gonna go. See you later, camera.